All right, guys, a little orange chainsaw. I'm gonna do some cold start, and it's chilly out here today. Haven't ran this yet. Built that little pipe for it though. I got a video with this. I'll put it in the description. You guys can pick one up through that video link if you want to get one. Little 25cc 12-inch bar though. Tiny little just chainsaw brand chainsaw. So we're gonna do some messing around with this in the future, but let's do a cold start and see how she runs. First pull. That's kind of surprising. I wasn't expecting that.